Hello, hi, my name's George. I came here because my medical doctor told me a few years ago that I was going to need knee replacement. It got to such a point that I could not walk upstairs except one step at a time. And I decided I was going to look into stem cell replacement. And I saw LifeWorks on Facebook, and I wanted to check in about stem cell. I came here, I have not done any stem cell, but after 1 week, I was totally different. I could walk up and down stairs normal again, and I could definitely walk a lot further than I ever did before this. To me, I'm fantastic. I'm pretty much pain-free on most of my pains. I've only got 1 or 2 pains left that I'm working on, and they're disappearing. So I'm extremely happy because I was looking at getting knee replacement, wait until I was 65 so I could get Medicare to get a knee replacement. I have a 1.5 years left to do that, but I wasn't going to make it to that point. I wasn't even going to make it another week by the time I got here because I was in so much pain. So I'm happy. Happy, happy, happy.